PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM.
Prescription.
PRIZM?
Prescription.
PRIZM in prescription. Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with my buddy Andrew, our in-house Oakley ambassador, to talk about Oakley PRIZM prescription lenses. Real quick though, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell so you get notifications every time our faces come on your screen. All right, so PRIZM is the thing.
It is. It's a thing. It's been a thing.
It's a wonderful thing.
It's a very beautiful thing.
And PRIZM comes in prescription.
It does. So for all you prescription wearers out there, PRIZM is an option.
Yes. So why don't we really quickly tell them what PRIZM is.
So in one sentence, I would describe PRIZM as Oakley's proprietary lens technology that works by manipulating the light spectrum and really boosting contrast. So everything in your environment is just made way more vivid. Just a boost of colors, enhanced detail, so you can see everything. Everything just really pops.
Yes.
That's what I like to describe.
I would say PRIZM is one of the best things to happen to sunglasses in the history of sunglasses. It is such a technological leap and bound over normal type of lenses out there that if you have yet not tried this newer type of lens technology, you're really missing out. And if you're considering new prescription sunglasses, PRIZM should be really high up there in your consideration. And by the way, we think maybe you should get them from us because we're SportRx. We're a VIP Oakley Rx dealer, and we have opticians here that really know PRIZM and really know Oakley and really know sports that can get you dialed in with the exact right setup. But all that said, PRIZM lenses are just going to give you enhanced contrast, maximum glare protection, and the exact right lens color and lens features to look through while doing whatever activity or sport that you're doing, including everyday lenses, which are just kind of more for everyday life, regular driving, hanging out, and then also like very specific sport lenses, like one for baseball, 2 different kinds for golf, depending on if you live in a sunny condition or overcast condition. 2 different lenses for mountain biking. So there's all these really cool different lenses available. Not every single PRIZM lens color is yet available in prescription. Usually what happens is it takes some time. A new lens color will come out and then it'll be available in prescription, and the opticians at SportRx are gonna know the exact timing of all that and help you make sure. They'll let you know which ones are available and which ones aren't available and get you dialed in. Another thing to talk about is that there's these amazing snow goggle lenses that also are available in prescription, because we make this insert that fits inside the goggle wonderfully, 1,000 times better than trying to wear glasses inside your goggles. So that was, what else do we got to say?
Well, we have other videos about how a prescription insert works, PRIZM everyday lenses and PRIZM sport lenses. If you want to kind of go a little bit more in depth, this was really just to let you know that PRIZM in prescription is a thing with Oakley authentic PRIZM lens technology at SportRx.
Yeah, baby. So if this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up. Like we said, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about compatibility, your prescription working with a set of frames or lenses or what's available, please leave it down in the comment section. We'll get back to you, or feel free to call us. We have knowledgeable, friendly opticians on the phone that would love to take your call and help you get dialed in perfectly. Okay, we'll see you in PRIZM. Later.